two awesome lots for you with this gorgeous view. Actually, this is not the real view. The real view is higher up. I'll show you where they're at, and you'll be seeing soon that video. We are located between Ensenada and Rosarito. If you would like to build your house with this beautiful view, which will be up there in that hill where the tower is, contact me, Laura Navarro. Remember, you want to build something in Ensenada and with ocean view? Come on over here. Okay, I'll help you. Did you get that? Did you get that? Are you looking to build your beautiful home with an amazing view? How about this view? Oh my gosh, you're gonna love getting up, drinking some coffee with this view. Imagine building your house here. Well, I have two lots for you. They're of course together, so you can build your big house there. There are some limitations because this is a community where everybody has to build in a certain way, but anyway, you still have two lots. This is a community that's gonna have clubhouse, I think two pools, all the services will be subterranean, and you won't have cables. Right now there's only just a couple of big cables over here because there's towers, but they're building the terraces, they're getting it ready, but where those two lots are is right here in this area. This is the view that you will have. If you are interested in coming to see these lots and you would like to purchase land here in Mexico, we are located actually between Ensenada and Rosarito. This is a gorgeous area. If you're interested, remember, Laura Navarro in Ensenada. Otherwise, just imagine living over here. Take care. Remember, we have very low monthly payments and services. Take care. Bye.